Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick intro because today I'm gonna try to do a Bride of Frankenstein slash pop art zombie, so like a combination of both fused together. I really wanted to use blue, like a teal blue. That's what I'm gonna try to do. So I hope you guys can follow me. This is gonna be a little bit all over the place because I didn't really plan it out. I'm just kind of like sitting down and getting creative. Let's see how it goes. I already have my little gauze tube top that I made. We'll add in a couple more things. I might do my arms. I'm not 100% sure, so we shall see. So I start off by using the teal blue that I want to start with and just outlining where the teal is not going to sit. So I just go all around my face and I go all around the under part of my eye and on my shoulder area, just so I kind of know where not to put the teal and just leave it alone because I'm going to add other colors. Now this is where it gets really fun. I just start adding in all the blue wherever I did an outline and just concentrated so that it looks like a true teal blue. Now I'm using this little color wheel primary colors and I'm going to use the red on whatever I feel is going to look like open wounds. I'm also going to be using this really lime green under the eyes and use the white to kind of do some exposed bones. And that little gash right there is going to be green as well, like it's oozing. Going back to the red, I add that around the little bone area, and then I decided that around my eyes I'm just going to go blue and add the same blue to the ears. This was a pain to get out, but it totally made it look more legit. For the eyeshadow crease, I used a really dark blue because I wanted it to kind of complement the color of the face, and then in the actual eyelid I used a purple to kind of use it as like a gradient to the blue, and I feel like it looked pretty good. And then I just added in a winged eyeliner that is going to help the eyelashes pop. Since this is like a Bride of Frankenstein with a pop art twist, I outlined everything that I put on that was a different color with black, because it just makes it look pop arty in like a cartoony kind of way. So for the eyebrows, I just decided to use a black eyeliner to just outline them and just make them very, very predominant and the main focus of the face. I added a gel liner to the bottom lash line and the top lash line and just kind of try to smoke it out, and then added in the same blue and purple underneath to kind of make it pop. So I use these Ardell lashes that have a top and a bottom lash. I, for the life of me, could not figure out how to put on the bottom lashes, so I decided to only do the top. Now what I'm doing is I'm adding in the iconic stitches from the Bride of Frankenstein, and I just kind of improvised the bottom portion, but I just used eyeliner to kind of do the stitching around it. I wasn't precise. It's pretty easy to just kind of add it in. And then I just added in some blood after that and a little pop of little highlights with the white. And then I added in a little bit of cleavage and a little bit of dots around the skin just to kind of give it an extra pop art twist. To add extra dimension, I used the same blue eyeshadow that I used on my eyes to add some shading, just to kind of add that extra dimension and just not make it look so flat. Along with that, I added some more little white marks just to add extra shine. So once again, it doesn't look flat. Now for the lips, I wanted it to be a bright, bright red, and I added some extra blood. I know I combined a lot of different techniques, but I feel like it kind of made it work. Going back to the lips, I added a little bit of dark red to the sides to give it dimension, and I added the highlights. Popped on a little bit of mascara, top and bottom, and popped on the wig. The wig kind of just helped everything be pulled together, so now that you actually know what I am, I decided to put the teal all over my arms because they were exposed, and then I had extra gauze to wrap around my arms because she does have that all around her arms, so I feel like it pulled it even more together as well. And I just wrapped it around my arm just to make it look like it made sense, and just tied it, and this is what I came out with, and I really did like it. I added another option for the hair. It is with your hair down, and then you just kind of use this black spray paint to spray paint your hair. I obviously needed more, but I think you kind of get the gist of how it looks with the hair like that. So much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. As always, all my social media is listed down below, and toodles, happy Halloween.